Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we are going to compare the most recent crash test results from the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety of the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander and the 2024 Honda Pilot. So let's dive into. So the 2024 Toyota Grand Highlander, a new addition to Toyota's lineup, unfortunately didn't perform as well as expected in the IIHS crash test. It fell short of earning a top safety pick award, primarily due to its acceptable rating in the driver's side small overlap front test. In this test, the safety cage was compromised and the dummy's head rolled off the front airbag towards the gap between it and the side curtain airbag. This indicated potential issues with the head protection during real-world crashes. Despite this, the Grand Highlander earned good ratings in other crash tests, such as the passenger side small overlap front, original moderate overlap front, and the updated side test. On the other hand, the 2024 Honda Pilot performed impressively, securing the Top Safety Pick Plus award. This is the highest honor given by IIHS. The Pilot model achieved good ratings across all the crash tests, including the driver's side small overlap front test, where the Grand Highlander struggled. So if the safety is a top priority for you, the 2024 Honda Pilot stands out as the clear winner here, with the top marks across the board from IIHS. However, the Toyota Grand Highlander still offers strong performance in most areas and shouldn't be discounted, especially if you are drawn to its other features and overall design. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like, and until the next one, please stay safe.